Well, I heard there was a secret chord that David played to please the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do you? Well, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, and the major lift, the baffled king composing Alleluia, 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 Alleluia. Well, your faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty and the moonlight overthrew you. And she tied you to her kitchen chair, she broke your throne, and she cut your hair, and from your lips she drew the baby, I've been here before. I've seen this room and I've walked this floor. I used to live alone before I knew ya. It's not your flag on that marble arch. Love is not a victory march. It's a cold and it's a broken Alleluia, 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 Alleluia. Well, there was a time when you let me know what's really going on below, but now you never show that to me, do ya? But remember when I moved in you, and the holy dove was moving too, and every breath we drew was Alleluia, 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 Now maybe there's a God above, but all I ever learned from love was how to shoot somebody who outdrew ya. It's not